Hey y'all, just old Gear here, and getting ready to fix supper. Now, y'all don't be begging for any. If you're hungry, there's plenty for you. Old Gear will share after I've got my share. No, we both eat if you're hungry. But the Johnsonville cheddar bacon brat patties or whatever they're called, yellow box patties. Oh yeah, I got 2 boxes of them. Oh, some mushrooms. Oh, look at it. As old Bill Gaddy says, look at the goodness. If y'all don't watch this channel, you might check it out. Oh, and Miracle Whip. Oh yeah. Everybody loves Miracle Whip, or they're wrong. It's okay if you like mayo. It's okay if you don't like both of them. If you don't like Miracle Whip, more from me. Yeah, we got some iceberg lettuce or whatever it is. Some onions, plenty of onions. Oh yeah, thinly sliced. Oh yeah. Slice of onion, take a bite of slice of onion, take a bite of the sandwich. Oh yeah, gotta love them onions. Well, you don't got to. If you don't, more for me. Some store-bought tomatoes, but I mean, they look good, don't they? Yeah, not recommended. Who's ready for some homegrown tomatoes? Let me know down below. Ain't nothing better homegrown tomato on the tomato chart especially. Some of that tater salad right there, original. I like the mustard. Somebody else likes the original, so I get the original. I mean, big old tub of it, $5. Yeah, you can make it at home, but shoot. Sometimes, what's more valuable? Your time or the cost? So, right now, I value my time, so spend a little bit of that green. I mean, shoot, can't take it to the dirt with you. I mean, you can, but what good is it? We got us some blood meal for the garden. We put it in them pots. Just look at those mushrooms, man. Can't get nothing in mushrooms, but put the blood meal in the pots there. Woo boy. That's some stuff. But yeah, outside. We still haven't watered it in, but we're supposed to get some rain tomorrow night into Thursday, so that'll water it in nice. Then I'll check everything and put a little bit more dirt on top if I need it, which I'm sure they all need just a little bit more added. Didn't do anything else with the other pots out there. Which one of these patties would you pick? Would you pick 1? Would you pick 2? Or would you pick 3? Let me know down below along with the tomatoes. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some of these wavy chips. Oh yeah. Tater salad. Oh yeah. If you don't want Miracle Whip on yours, I got barbecue sauce. I've got ketchup, but I might accidentally slap you upside. No, I'm joking with you. Heck, I got some mustard, honey mustard. I've got some ranch dressing, Italian dressing, blue chunky cheese. I got about any kind of dressing you'd want up here, but don't have any Catalina, so if you want any Catalina for it, you're gonna have to do it without, because we used that for a taco salad here a while back. But hey, this is old Gear. I'm rambled on for 4 minutes here. Ain't nobody gonna watch this. But for the ones that do, there's gonna be some people that watch this. I thank you all that follow my stuff, all my videos, and the ones that just pick and choose and watch what you can, and just the stragglers that come along and watch 1 and 2 and go on. I thank all of y'all. But this is old Gear, and I'm gonna shut up here. I think y'all have a good Bye for now. Did you see my clown video?